probably worked with one of the biggest actors and stars of this country, Mr. Bachchan. He sits
And when
like
Shefali
this.
comes, everybody gets up.
Yeah, exactly. We all leave our chairs for Shefali.
Yeah, but not on this set, but otherwise also, does that play in, is it a factor on set?
I don't
Hierarchy.
remember.
No. I have been on sets where the loos are only for HODs and actors on the floor, and nobody, not even another woman, can use it. Use the loos, and there are bodyguards guarding the loo. So, yeah, things like that.
I was on
Not
a
the
set
set.
where there was a director who was a tyrant, and luckily I've worked with very, very few. Ginke ek ya do who've been like that. I've been very lucky to work with
Yeah.
people like Tanuj and Rishi and Suresh and all that. But that was like one thing. That was not a good set to be on. But I probably worked with one of the biggest actors and stars of this country, Mr. Bachchan.
Yeah.
And I have not felt hierarchy there either.
Wow.
He is so humble, and he actually he puts you into that comfort zone. He treats you as a one-on-one. I remember once he did a shot, and I was not even shooting. I had gone on Vipul's set. He did the shot and he walked away. He turned around and he said, "Shefali, what did you think about the show? What did you think about the scene?" I died. I was like, "No, you're kidding me, right? Like, this you can't ask me." But I don't see it. I think, somebody had told me that there's a difference between ego and pride. You must have pride. You should not have ego.
Amazing. Yeah.
That makes so much sense.
Right.